Hi guys! Mag-unboxing tayo ng ating with this one! Yay! Ayan! Ang laki! So, ito siya. In-order ko siya sa Taobao. 181 with 2 microphone. You see? Oh, look at here. Try natin to. Buksan natin. Ayan na. Better sound quality. Let's see. Better sound ba talaga siya? Uy! Allah! Ka-nice. Pwede siyang bit-bitin. Oh, tapos dito mo yung charge niya. Hala? Oh, dalawang microphone guys. Wow! So, ito na yung microphone natin. Try natin magpatugtog. Tingnan natin kung mayroon ba siyang mayroon ba siyang charge. Kasi, kakabukas ko lang. Wireless karaoke speaker. Natin ang ating microphone. Magical Voice 1. Ito. Oh, my goodness. Anong nangyari dyan?
Magical Voice 2. Magical Voice 3.
But one moment.
Magical Voice 4. Original singing mode.
Hello?
Ayan, uli na. Vocal.
Hello?
Touch. Perfect.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Saan kayang Bluetooth natin ilagay? Pwede siyang Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
Ay, meron. Get siya. Meron siya, guys.
Hello? Hello?
Okay. So, we go to here. We go to karaoke. Jesus never fails.
Hello? Hello? So many souls have tested he throughout the course of time. So many spells reach out to him with broken hearts and minds, and every one of them will say, with no exception that define, Jesus never fails. Even in the days of old, he brought his people through. And then he came to show his love and died for me and you. And then he rose again to prove that every story had been true, that Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well get thee behind me, Satan. You cannot prevail because Jesus never fails.
Ay, okay siya, guys.
So mag-try tayo ng ating singing. So, ito na yung
Everything to know, never in despair. Jesus never